Welcome to this quick spotlight on one of the most iconic stadiums in the world, Santiago Bernabéu Stadium, located in the heart of Madrid, Spain. This legendary stadium is the home of Real Madrid, one of the greatest football clubs in history. Opened in 1947, it has a seating capacity of over 81,000, making it one of the largest stadiums in Europe. Currently undergoing a massive renovation, the Bernabéu is being transformed into a state-of-the-art facility. The upgrades include a retractable roof, a 360-degree video scoreboard, and improved seating for an even better fan experience. It's not just a football ground, it's also a venue for major events like concerts and other sports. The stadium's rich history includes hosting 4 European Cup finals, the 1982 FIFA World Cup final, and the 2010 UEFA Champions League final. Santiago Bernabeu isn't just a stadium, it's a temple of football and a must-visit landmark for fans worldwide. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more highlights.